What's up, guys, and welcome to this episode of Tuesday Afternoon Talks with Blue Light Media. Today we have Nelson and Hannah. Say what's up.
What's up?
Awesome. It's been a while since we've had everybody on screen. The holidays obviously has been super busy, but we hope you enjoy this episode. I'm really pumped for this one for sure. We have a lot of exciting news to talk about today. We're going to be talking about how to take better pictures on Instagram. We're also going to talk about how to find out if you're pregnant with IKEA. Can IKEA get you pregnant? No, that's not the point.
Let's not go there. Maybe.
How Facebook is evolving and devaluing certain types of content, and about our Instagram guide, which I'm sure you've seen over the last couple days now. But if you've never checked in before, every Tuesday we do a live Facebook Q&A to answer any of your digital marketing questions. If you do have any questions about social or digital marketing, feel free to comment below. I'm finally feeling some energy in this place. I missed you guys. That's what it was. Anyways, I can't find my wallet. That's kind of a pain. But if you have any questions about social digital marketing, please feel free to comment below. If not, if we don't get to it on this episode, we'll definitely comment later on. But without further ado, let's talk about the first subject today, how to take better pictures with Instagram. Nelson, I'm going to get out of your way.
Okay.
So, episode.
If you're struggling, try to take better pictures on Instagram, and you don't feel like taking out the whole DSLR and doing the process of editing and Photoshop and things like that. A great app that just got re-released was Lightroom CC. And what's awesome about it is you can adjust everything from white balance to exposure to shutter speed, and then you can create custom profiles on there and automatically grade all your photos in the same color or same theme. It's very fast, and it also syncs up with Adobe Creative Cloud, and you can pull it up on your PC too.
So I have a question. Do you have to use the camera that's within the app, or can you use your own camera, like the native camera to iPhone or whatever that you
Yeah, no, you can use your native camera, and if you have, I would say, a 7 Plus and above, you're able to use the wide angle and telephoto lens on there, so you can get like your depth perception, but it does a little bit extra, kind of blurs it out a little bit more. I like it a lot. I think it's a quick app too. It's really light.
Excellent. Yeah. Any other apps that you would suggest for editing photos for Instagram?
For editing, maybe Canva's always a good one.
Canva's a good one?
Yeah. I think video-wise, it's definitely InShot.
I have a question. I have something that I'd like to talk about too. Actually, is what about for the restaurant owners out there? How can they improve their photos of their food? Because that's the thing, right? Like that's what people are sharing on.
I think the best thing for you to do with photos in restaurants is to actually show people and hands, because a lot of times you don't really get the portion correctly. You don't know how big the plate is and stuff, so once you put a hand in it, you get to see the size. And then just adding color to everything that you put out on Instagram. I think if you're a restaurant owner, anything that you serve should have a wow factor to it. You should want to take a picture and send it, and then make sure your lighting's right. God damn.
Yeah. Awesome. Thank you, Nelson. I want to try and get these down to 10 minutes so we can actually get them on LinkedIn these days. So that's kind of why we'll power through it. Hannah, can we talk about getting pregnant at IKEA?
Not me, Mom. Not me.
Not me. Should I sit here? Yeah. I guess.
Yeah, go for it.
Musical
You can
chairs.
tell we're a little out of practice.
Yeah.
So I was almost positive this was a joke, but it's on multiple reputable websites like Adweek and Ad Age, and I don't think it's satire. IKEA just released a print ad in their catalog where if you pee on it, it's a pregnancy test. And if you are pregnant, it offers a special discount for a crib. So I was reading into it, and there's all this scientific advancements. And apparently this project is going to, the technology behind it and the company that developed it will, is it substrate material for medical diagnostics based on what we've learned in this project. So IKEA's crazy idea for marketing, for an ad, is now going to help people in need of medical care, supposedly.
Okay.
We tested it. Mikhail's pregnant.
Do you have to pee on the ad? Can we talk about that? Do
No,
you
it's
have
a
to pee
strip
on the
on
ad?
it. So like you tear the
Oh,
page out,
okay.
take it into the bathroom.
I
do
thought
your
we're all
business.
peeing on a catalog right
So,
now.
so does it say the price?
Apparently the price changes.
Okay.
I mean, I'm not pregnant, so I can't test it. Wait, Nelson, can we have we need to get a catalog.
Yeah.
I'm curious.
I think she's pregnant.
I think that's actually. Hey, people are pushing boundaries. I think that's actually a
it's
cool
both,
idea.
It's creative. It's something different.
Yeah.
It's people are talking about it.
And you're supplying the hood with pregnancy tests.
Yeah. There you go.
Free.
You know what? The thing is with the tearing out of the pregnancy thing, and then you get like a discount. That is kind of cool.
See,
I guess.
It's creative.
I just wouldn't want to be on the teller's end receiving the coupon that has.
They're supplying everyone with gloves at this point.
Okay. All right. Awesome.
You actually have to bring the ad to the
I mean, I
place?
think so.
Or you just know the number and that's how...
I mean, I'm guessing you have to like prove it somehow.
Yeah.
I don't know.
For everybody checking in or have never checked in before, every Tuesday we do a live Facebook feed and we answer any social digital marketing questions. We're also going over everything new in digital marketing and also helping you find ways to figure out whether or not you're pregnant. So if you have any questions about social digital marketing, feel free to comment below. The other thing we wanted to talk about today, did you have anything to add about the PP ad?
Nope, I'm good.
Okay.
I'm good. Just
The other
hilarious.
thing we wanted to talk about today was Facebook devaluing engagement bait. And if you're unfamiliar with engagement bait, it is the type of content that says comment below, which is crazy because I always put that on this thing. Comment
You're doing okay, though.
yeah, comment below, share with a friend. What are some other things that tag a friend, share this, right?
Mm-hmm.
So basically what's happening is if that's actually in your captions or in your post copy, Facebook is going to basically deem that invaluable and push it further down in their already crunched down organic reach. So that's going to force content creators to create better content that is shareable without having to prompt somebody to do it, which I think is really excellent. Whether or not this is actually translated over to Instagram at this point is unknown. We haven't seen anything about it yet, but you know that could mean something for the Instagram contests that a lot of people like to run, or even Facebook contests that a lot of people like to run. So we'll just have to find different ways to reach more people. Again, a lot of the reason that they're doing that, I can only imagine, is because they want these contests to be promoted with ads and not being
totally. Yeah.
right.
Yeah, they don't want you to get free anything free out of it.
Yeah, absolutely. So I think that's kind of just that's just the game that we have to play with that. I think, but you know, I don't think it's going to affect Instagram too much. Don't let it scare you. Still do it. I mean, either you're getting, you know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. Either you're getting organic reach or you're not getting organic reach. If your content is good enough, if your
prize is
good enough. What did you do? So we have a spirits client, right?
Yeah. And
you just ran. Can you tell us about that contest you ran?
Yeah. So we did it a couple of times where we gave away. So they were trying to give away a trailer at one point, a little trailer. That probably got like engagement somewhere around 20,000, somewhere in there. Then we decided to give away 2 copper mugs, and that got like 100,000
organically.
Yeah. No ads.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
People really wanted those freaking cups. What was the caption?
It just said, hey, like this and share it, and chance to win 2 copper mugs. It's one of those things when you're thinking about contests, don't sell them the house kind of thing. Like give them something achievable that feels like, oh, multiple people could win this.
Right. I guess that's true. Like, for me, it's like I would never win a trailer, but I would potentially win like a free banana.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or
that's just within my realm of good luck is bananas.
High five.
Yeah, so anyways, guys, lastly, we did want to talk about the Instagram guide that we just finished up.
Yay!
Yeah, the team put it together. People are loving this thing, and I'm really pumped on it. We're going to link it in the first comment once we're done with this. You can also go to www.bluelight.media and just click free Instagram guide to get yours. We're not charging for it right now, but it's a 10-page guide on what we consider to be advanced techniques on growing your Instagram account, how to find the right influencers, the do's and don'ts in content creation. What are some other cool things around there?
Direct messaging strategies,
things like that.
Community management.
And community management. So I think that there's, I think that it's a really great, I'm partial. Obviously, it's our guide.
Yeah.
But I haven't seen anything out there like it. It's 10 pages long. There's a lot of things that that I think that you can take away from it.
This is what a lot of consultants are charging for.
Yeah, a lot of people are. As a matter of fact, there are guides. I'm sure that our guide is better than the $300 guide out there. That what the hell? Just call us. Call me. I'll tell you what you need to do on
Message
Instagram.
us on here, and we'll.
Yeah. So everybody who's checking in, Diana, Michelle, it's so great to see you. I really appreciate that. We love that you're checking in every Tuesday. We do a live Facebook feed to talk about anything social and digital marketing. But before we go, I want to leave you with this. When you are faced with adversity, be sure to meet it with tenacity and positivity. That's about it for this week. We'll see you next time, right?
Yep. Bye.
Later, guys.